Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stretch music or audio within your edits on Filmora. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Filmora application on your device, and once it is opened up, you can create a new project or open up any of your old ones from your draft. Once you open up your project, you can start making your edits within your timeline, and if you wish to add any music, you can tap on the Add Music or the Audio option to add various different kinds of audio files. Now, when you have added any music within your timeline, it will appear within the music layer. Now, for instance, if any music that you have added is not as long as you want it to be, then you can use the AI audio stretch feature. In order to do this, just tap on the music or audio track and you will see various different options at the bottom. From the options at the bottom section, just swipe to the right and you will see audio stretch. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now begin processing your audio file. After it is completed, you can now go towards the end of this file and hold on the tail end and then extend it as long as you want it to be. And this will now use the power of AI in order to determine what kind of track is being played, and it will expand various different sections to match your length. And through this method, you can make any audio file as long as you want it to be. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to stretch any audio or music file within your edits on Filmora. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.